Accused of kidnapping and killing Maryland native Ashanti Billie will not face the death penalty if tried and convicted. At a hearing in Norfolk Federal Court, prosecutors told the judge the death penalty was off the table. Eric Brown is accused of snatching Billie from a sandwich shop near Virginia Beach back in 2017. Her body was found in North Carolina. After his arrest, Brown was diagnosed with schizophrenia and given treatment at a federal facility. Today, a judge agreed to let those experts examine Brown to determine whether he is competent to stand trial.